Vending machines are changing the way people shop, offering 24/7 access to snacks, drinks, tech gadgets, and even fresh food. It's a low-overhead, high-convenience business that runs round the clock, making it one of the smartest automated investments in today's market. With growing demand for contactless services, vending franchises deliver flexibility, scalability, and strong ROI. From offices and schools to hospitals and shopping centers, each location becomes a profit point. Through IFBC, you can connect with trusted vending franchise brands that provide the machines, inventory systems, training, and support you need to get started quickly. Whether you want to start small or scale across multiple locations, vending is a business that works for you, literally, even while you sleep. Book your free IFBC consultation today and explore how a vending franchise can help you earn passive income and grow a fully automated business.